Hello, my name is Shashwat, and I am the founder and director of Jindal Solicitors and Associates. It is a young law firm, and by God's grace, I got an opportunity to get connected with LawSeco. Actually, I got interestingly the story of my connection with LawSeco was when I was looking for some people to join my firm, and that's how I got into contact with Priyanka ma'am, and she really did help me with not only getting some really good talent for my firm, but also on how to better manage everything. So that is how I got introduced to LawSeco. Once I got introduced to them, I started attending some webinars because they often used to do a lot of talks on various topics of my interest and my practice area. And I believe that as a professional, you have to keep yourself updated with the latest upcomings and whatever are the latest developments. I was once reading about this Kung Fu master. So he was such a master of his art that he could lift up a sumo wrestler who weighed 3 times more than him over his head and throw him on the other side of the room. But when he died, he said that, "Do not bury me in my black. I should be wearing my costume when I'm buried, but I should not be wearing a black belt. I should wear a white belt." The reason for this is that it should show that throughout my life I was a learner. I was never a teacher. I was always a learner, and that is why I was the master of my art. So similar it is with the legal profession. Uh, I got introduced through the freelancing journey through one of my friends. Since I was a student, I used to try and keep myself updated with all the opportunities that could happen. But initially, though I joined and I was able to get some work, but I still felt that there was something missing. I was not able to go up to my full potential, and because of my association with LawSeco, I used to keep seeing their posts on a lot of opportunities for freelancing. And then I just approached Priyanka ma'am. I was like, "Ma'am, though I feel that I'm not doing enough and I can do more." So ma'am, then she helped me. She took my profile. She told me a lot of nuances which really did help me. And I feel that and I was able to actually you have to be satisfied and you have to satisfy your conscience. And a lot of things which I was already doing, I got to know that, okay, yeah, you're doing that correctly. And there were some things which I didn't know, like for example, that what sort of language I should write. See, the language which you use is specific to every person. And use of certain words, like for example, I used to write that I'm ready to work at a low price as compared to the market, and or as compared to your, maybe if I was trying to join hand with an American startup, I will work at a lower price. She said, "No, you use the word modest." These are very small things which she helped me with and really did teach me a lot. And as a legal professional, what I would like to tell everyone is that you should never shy from learning. There is always hope for improvement, and there is always hope for learning. And by associating yourself with organizations such as LawSeco, who have put in so much effort, they really do put in a lot of effort in creating whatever lectures they have, or in helping you get work. And I really believe that associating yourself with such organizations will really help you. Not only will help you grow, but it will also improve you. I had even taken up a course with them on contract drafting. Though I had already drafted a couple of contracts which they were teaching, but there was still a lot of nuances which I had never thought about. I used to think that, okay, I'm a very master of my art, but there were so many nuances which I had never thought about, which I got to learn from them. And that is That's why I say that it is very important to keep yourself updated, and I will recommend this organization to anyone who wants to actually excel in the legal field. To even if you're not taking up a course, at least follow whatever they are saying, follow their page, and you will definitely learn a lot from them. And not only that, they also motivate you a lot. You will get a lot of motivation from them as well. And sometimes when things aren't very good, or you feel that things are not going your way, you open up their page, they will definitely have posted a motivating story that will be like, okay, now I have to work harder. And I would I'm really happy with this, or with my association with the organization, and I would recommend every person in the legal field in India to at least have some sort of association with them, because it will really do help you becoming a better master of your craft.